Constituent hair powder review. In this video, we will find that this is a legitimate product or just another scam. So recent reviews of this product, in fact, when I was researching about this product, I did not got anything. You can see that one review have gave a 3.3, that is around 4-star ratings. But as you can see here, there's a no review on it, right? So even if I just go here, I have tried other products to cover thinning hair, but work as easily as this one. Color was true. So as you can see here, this is a positive review, but I just went and tried to find the 1-star review, and there was nothing. There was just only 1 star, as well as I just went for the 3-star, 4-star, and you can see nothing is there. There's only one review in the 5-star, and still I'm not sure. It's not a verified, right? As you can see here, and it was dated in the last month, end of this last month, 29 August. So it just, I find a little bit of skeptic that whether I should trust it or not, right? Because I went through the different websites and did the thorough research, and most of the found that this product is origin from China. Let me show you up, guys. And when I just let's go back here, one more back, and here this in the product information that the origin of this product is China. Here you can see this, right? And I don't, the credibility of China on whole world, right? I went to the and I found a lot of videos on YouTube, and almost they calling it a scam because this product is not working, the ingredients and everything. So make sure just you can just screenshot this video and read about the ingredients, and make sure this just don't get allergic. I mean, your body doesn't get allergic through these ingredients. So make sure you just do a thorough research about it, right? And revealing side effects using a constituent hair powder, so may cause mild irritation or redness or sensitive skin with long-term use, could lead to a clogged hair follicles and scalp issue like folliculitis if not washed out thoroughly. So make sure you just read it, because this is a just product and I'm not getting too much reviews neither on different website and legit website, right? So still I cannot call this a scam, but I can aware you about this product, right? So make sure you just go through this whole video and whole information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.